if you're using the phrase to όνομα μου είναι, then you sound like Google Translate. Because in Greece, we don't use that phrase most of the time. We use a couple different phrases that are a little bit more natural. Το όνομα μου είναι, by the way, translates to my name is. But in Greek, we would say I am called, or we would say I am, and then your name. For example, the first useful phrase to introduce your name would be this. Είμαι ο, or I, and then your name. Είμαι means I am. O, you use it if you're a man. I, if you're a woman. So I would say personally, Είμαι ο Γιώργος. If I was a girl, I would say Είμαι η Maria. So that is the first phrase that you can learn, you can use every time you want to introduce yourself. Let's see the second one. Our second example is this. Με λένε, and then your name. And that means they call me, and then your name. Personally, I would say με λένε Γιώργο. Or if I was a girl, με λένε Maria. If you found this valuable and you want to know even more Greek, join my free Greek learning community by clicking the link in my bio.